branding is the marketing practice of actively shaping your brand. To do this, the company creates a name, symbol, or design that is distinguishable for their own company. This helps the company to write its own identity in the marketplace. Why is branding important? Branding is important for following reasons. Branding promotes recognition and allows consumers to get familiar with your brand. Your brand sets you apart from your competition and helps consumers know what to expect. It provides a direction for your staff and motivates them to achieve the company goals. People love to talk about their brand. They like so. Hope this video helped you in understanding the concept of branding. If it did, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.